As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, ASIN BOOBFPMLI8, and the Performance Series 3-burner, ASIN B01MQIXCN2. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I see total opposites, really. The Grill2Go is super portable, right? Like tailgating and camping kind of grill. And the other one is a full-sized backyard setup.
Exactly. The Grill2Go has a 200 square inch cooking surface and weighs only 20 pounds. The Performance Series has a massive 600 square inches, and it weighs almost 95 pounds. Portability is a big factor for me.
Makes sense. But think about what you're cooking. The Grill2Go's got 9,500 BTUs, while the Performance Series has 34,000 BTUs in 3 burners. Much more power there, plus a side burner.
True. The BTU rating is way higher on the Performance Series. That side burner is a nice touch for sauces and sides. But is it overkill if I'm mainly grilling burgers and hot dogs?
Maybe. But the Performance Series uses a 20-pound propane tank, which lasts longer than the small disposable tanks the Grill2Go uses. Less refilling, more grilling.
Good point. What about the cooking technology? Both use Charbroil's TRU infrared, right?
Yep. Supposedly, it prevents flare-ups and cooks food more evenly. The customer reviews seem to back that up for both models. Both grills have porcelain-coated steel grates.
The Grill2Go is only $147.97 right now. Do we know the cost of the 3-burner?
Sadly, the 3-burner is temporarily out of stock, so the price isn't listed, though I'm sure it's considerably more expensive than the Grill2Go. The reviews mention the 3-burner can feel a bit flimsy, while the Grill2Go is praised for its rugged build.
Okay, good to know. So for portability and budget, the Grill2Go wins. But for power, space, and that side burner, the Performance Series takes the cake.
Precisely. It really boils down to how and where you plan to grill.
Thanks. That helps a lot in making my decision. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.